Welcome to Tip of the Week. I'm so glad you're here. My name is Katie. I've been a realtor since 2018, licensed in North Carolina, and I'm the marketing director for Sky Blue Media. Every week, I'll be sharing a quick tip on mindset, strategy, and execution that you can immediately apply to marketing your business, specifically on social media. I promised it would be quick, so let's jump in. If you're listening to this episode titled The Case for Social Media for Real Estate, at the very least, you likely have an idea that social media is valuable for your business and your online presence. I want to break down 5 big reasons you might want to invest more time in marketing yourself on social. First, let me differentiate between 2 uses or approaches of social media. This can apply to social media as a whole or to specific platforms. The first approach is using social as a business card. You just want a clean presence in case someone who finds you from another source decides to look you up. I do help clients with this approach, and the main purpose is to let potential clients know that you appreciate the value of social media enough to make it look good and reasonably updated, and then direct them back to your preferred method of communication, whether it's your website or a blog that you maintain. The second approach, and reason number 2 for using social media, is as a main pillar of lead generation, with the prospecting hours invested just as you would calling FSBOs or expireds or door knocking or connecting with your sphere. This approach focuses on creating valuable content for your ideal client and creating a regular engagement strategy. This is what I'll talk about most on this series and is what most of my clients are currently working on. Number 3 is numbers and time efficiency. I have had clients come to me so disheartened and tell me that their video got only 200 views. Okay, well, how much time did you spend putting out that piece of valuable content? How long would it take for you to knock on 200 doors or call 200 people on a prospecting list? That's if they even answer, and on the phone they don't get the face-to-face connection with you like they would on social media. Social media, like everything, takes consistency and time, but more connections in less time is the name of the game. Number 4, the power of authenticity. People do business with those that they know, like, and trust. Social media facilitates building that trust much better than calls to strangers. Through consistent, valuable video and photo content and sharing your authentic personality, you'll be surprised how quickly people connect and bond with you. It's all about being real. Finally, number 5 is the value of personal branding. By implementing an intentional social media strategy, your audience will develop an idea for what you are all about. Think of branding as being how you make someone feel or how someone talks about you when you're not around. There are so many agents with active licenses in the US right now, and your personal brand is what sets you apart from the crowd and allows individuals to connect with you, whether it's a love of gardening and obsessed with supercars, or a passion for international food, or all 3. Social media provides multiple platforms for you to share your expertise and what makes you a unique human. Thanks so much for listening to Tip of the Week. To make sure you never miss a tip, please subscribe to the weekly newsletter at skyblue.media/marketing. If you found this episode helpful, please take 1 minute and share it with a friend. Better yet, take a screenshot and share it to your Instagram story and tag us at Sky Blue Media Tours. And finally, if you would like one-on-one help with optimizing your digital marketing for your business, send a direct message with the word marketing to Sky Blue Media Tours on Instagram or Sky Blue Media on Facebook. Can't wait to chat. See you next week.